In the bank, well, I'm going to show you how you can make some deodorizing disc. It's super simple, super cheap to make. I have the full recipe on my lifestyle blog at smartshopperdaphne.com. So get a bowl, grab a cup of baking soda, pour that in there. Then you want to get a half a cup of water, and in there you want to mix in your essential oils, and you just simply want 2 drops of each. So I'm going to put in 1, 2. I'm going to put in some wild orange and some lavender. So I'm going to put 2 drops of each. I have my little pipettes here. So 1, I want to stir it around. And then what you want to do is you want to mix it in till you get like a little paste. And just let it sit. So like this muffin tray right here, I created these discs. So as you can see, they're all in here in the muffin tray. And just full recipe, just head over to my blog at smartshopperdaphne.com. As always, I appreciate your time. Thanks for tuning in. Always share, like my videos. That's how you're going to support me. Thanks. Bye.